Everyone was watching as Brianna Lyston raced towards Paris 2024. Then, unexpectedly, she hit the brakes. What made this top contender call it quits? Brianna Lyston, the lightning-fast sprinter from Jamaica and a sophomore at LSU, has just dropped a bombshell. After securing a runner-up spot in the 100 meters at the NCAA Championships and powering through an unbeaten indoor season, Lyston is saying no to further competitions this year. In a stunning turn of events, announced on Instagram, "Thank you 2024, Breezy signing out." Her decision means she won't appear at the Jamaican National Championships, a crucial step for securing a spot in the Paris Olympics. This move is all the more puzzling given her scorching season best of 10.91 seconds just last month, making her a hot favorite for Olympic glory. So, what's behind the curtain? Is it injury, strategy, or something entirely unexpected? Brianna Lyston's early exit from the 2024 season leaves her fans bewildered and the track a little less bright. Stay tuned as this story unfolds, and remember, in the world of sports, expect the unexpected.